Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name's Becca, and today we're diving into something very important, especially for anyone who loves a quilter, lives with a quilter, or maybe is a quilter who needs to accidentally leave this video on loop loudly where your family can hear it. Today, I'm sharing what quilters really want for Christmas, and trust me, this is not your average just buy them some fabric list. We have some practical gifts, some splurgy gifts, handmade ideas, stocking stuffers, and those little thoughtful things that I feel like quilters appreciate way more than anyone else. And we have a ton of giveaways happening in this video. Not every item that I mention will be part of the giveaway, but several of them are, including thread, fabric, tools, and some big ticket goodies. I'll tell you which ones as we go, and then at the end of the video, I'll tell you exactly how to enter. Spoiler alert, it's really easy. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video so you don't miss out. All right, let's get started on what quilters actually want under their tree this year. Let's start with the easiest category, consumables. These are those things that quilters go through constantly, and we never mind getting more of them. In fact, we kind of love it. Consumables include things like machine needles, rotary blades, thread, basting spray, pins, glue sticks, marking utensils, seam rippers, because yes, they really do disappear, and even quilting gloves. But the biggest superstar in this category, at least for me, is Aurifil thread. You all know Aurifil 50 weight is my ride or die thread. I use it exclusively for piecing. My go-to neutral colors are 2600, which is a lovely dove gray, and 6722, which is more of a warm toned neutral that blends beautifully with just about everything. What I love about Aurifil is that it's thin, it's strong, and it leaves almost no lint. It gives me that perfect crisp seam every time. This is one of those gifts that you can literally give to any quilter and know that you nailed it. And thank you to Aurifil, they donated a 3-spool set for the giveaway. So if you want to really spoil your quilter this Christmas, grab a couple spools, maybe from Fat Quarter Shop, using the link down below. Trust me, quilters will not complain. Next up is something that I use all the time, especially during foundation paper piecing, or anytime I have a bulky seam that I want to lie extra flat. It's a wooden clapper. My absolute favorite ones come from Modern American Vintage. These are handmade, beautifully finished, and feel like heirloom quality. A clapper works by absorbing the heat and moisture from the seam after you press it, and it locks it into place so that you get a crisp, flat, professional finish. And if you really want to level up even more, pair that clapper with an Acorn Easy Press pen. I love this combo. The pen lets you apply a very fine line of starch or pressing liquid directly into the seam before pressing. And then the clapper locks everything in. Your seams, perfect. Even on bulky intersections, even on FPP. And you don't have to buy the Acorn solution to refill the pen. You can just use whichever starch you prefer, including Best Press. This is such a thoughtful, super practical gift that feels luxurious without being super expensive. Speaking of starch, let's talk about Mary Ellen's Best Press. If you've never smelled Best Press, let me just tell you, quilters consider this a form of aromatherapy. There's linen fresh, lavender fields, Caribbean beach. It's basically a spa day for fabric. But beyond the scent, Best Press gives fabric that smooth, crisp texture that makes cutting more accurate, piecing more precise, and it helps to tame those wiggly fabrics and eliminate wrinkles. And it makes pressing so much easier. A big bottle lasts a long time, and you can either buy the spray version or the refill gallons, which is what I usually get. It's one of those things that quilters use up constantly but don't always treat themselves to. So giving someone their favorite scent or a whole assortment is a great way to say, hey, I see you doing your thing, and I want to make your sewing more enjoyable. Now, you probably already know this about me, but I love batik fabric, as evidenced from the shelves behind me. Love them. And this month, on Friday Night Lives and the entire month of November, I'm sewing exclusively with Banyan Batiks. So it's the perfect time to include them into the gift guide. Batiks are smooth, vibrant, versatile, and have this gorgeous handmade quality because of how they're created. When you give a quilter batik fabric, you're giving them possibility. You're giving them a project waiting to happen, a spark, a color story, and yes, Banyan Batiks has donated a fat quarter bundle for this giveaway. Whether you buy your quilter a curated bundle from Fat Quarter Shop or pick something based on their fabric colors, you absolutely cannot go wrong with gifting fabric. Let's talk about a small business that I adore, Purple Hobbies. Heather, who is the owner of Purple Hobbies, designs and 3D prints the coolest quilting gadgets, thread spool holders, binding winders, tools for scrap management, project stands, you name it. I have loved her products for years, but my new favorite is one that I actually helped her design. It's the Becca box, and it is the ultimate little sewing on the go organizer. It holds needles, thread gloss, a needle threader, snips, and even a spool or two of thread. And it's all tucked neatly inside this container. But then it opens up into this adorable little desk organizer. I am obsessed. It keeps all of your tiny, easy to lose pieces combined, and it's perfect for hand sewing, especially EPP, or even just sewing while traveling. And because it's Purple Hobbies, it comes in a bunch of cute colors. I also have a discount code for you too. It's down in the description box down below if you want to pick one up. And one of these is included in the giveaway. So if you want to support a small business and delight a quilter, Purple Hobbies has a fabulous pick, and that coupon code is off everything on their website. Next up, rulers, but not just any rulers. Quilters Select rulers. These are game changer. They work for both right-handed and left-handed quilters, and they have a special coating on the backside that makes them gently grip the fabric. Not sticky, not rubbery, just enough to grip your fabric and keep your cuts accurate. And listen, a quilter will never complain about getting another ruler because each size does do something different. If you're not sure what size to buy, my recommendations would be a 10-inch by 10-inch square, super versatile, an 8.5 by 12-inch, another great all-purpose size, a 2-inch by 6-inch, which is perfect for trimming and marking, or the 6-inch by 24-inch, which is the holy grail for cutting yardage straight off the bolt. Even one ruler makes a fantastic gift, but if you show up with two, you're basically Santa. All right, friends, I want to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, FlexiSpot, because they sent me their E7 Pro standing desk, and honestly, I love it. Now, for me, I'm using this as a computer workstation, which I desperately needed. But I've been thinking about how this could play into a sewing room for other quilters. The desktop is a gorgeous butcher block style surface that feels smooth, warm, and perfect in a creative space. And the size? Well, they've got multiple. I have the 71-inch by 30-inch model, and y'all, it is huge in the best possible way. I could, if I wanted to, fit a 36 by 24-inch cutting mat and a wool pressing mat side by side, which means I can cut and press without ever leaving that little command center. And the lift system, it's whisper quiet. With just a tap of a preset button, it'll glide from sitting to sanding. Honestly, I feel like FlexiSpot is slowly replacing all the furniture in my sewing room, and I'm not mad about it. And yes, I have used it as a fort once or twice, because sometimes the sewing room gets a little overwhelming and you just need to hide from your works in progress for a minute. Totally normal, right? But truly, whether you use it as a sewing table, a cutting station, a pressing station, or even just a computer station, the E7 Pro adapts to what you need. So if you're ready to upgrade your sewing space, now is the perfect time. You can use my exclusive code YTE7P50 to save $50 on your E7 Pro desk. The link is in the description box. Go check it out. Treat yourself or the quilter in your life life. And thank you again to FlexiSpot for sponsoring today's. Another fantastic tool, especially for hand piecing lovers, is sew tights. These are clever little magnetic clips that hold your layers together where pins just won't cut it. I use them for English paper piecing or EPP, or for holding labels onto the back of quilts before sewing them in, for thick seams, for awkward angles, basically anywhere that a clip might slip or a pin might distort your fabric. They hold securely but don't damage anything. And then there's their cutting system, which, listen, is a little pricey. It's one of those, it's amazing, but I haven't splurged yet items. But if someone got it for me as a gift for Christmas, I would lose my mind. It's precise, it's well designed, and it speeds things up. It's a dream tool. And guess what? Sew Tights has donated an EPP bundle for this giveaway, which is right up my alley. If you know an English paper piecing fanatic, or you are one, this is an incredible gift. Lighting is one of the most underrated but absolutely essential sewing room upgrades. I personally love lights from the Daylight Company and OttLight. Both brands make bright, crisp, natural daylight lamps that help to reduce eye strain and improve your accuracy. But even a single lamp will work if you just outfit it with daylight bulbs. Truly, good lighting makes sewing more enjoyable. It helps you match colors better, and it keeps your eyes from screaming at you when you're on hour 4 of a late night sewing session. Don't underestimate the power of cozy feet. Most quilters don't like sewing in regular shoes because we want to feel the pedal, but we also don't want to step on a rogue pin barefoot. So a great solution, house shoes with hard soles and slipper socks. I wear slipper socks when I'm sewing because I like feeling the pedal. And then when I need to walk around, I just slip on the hard-soled house shoes when I walk around the room. It's the best of both worlds. This is a super thoughtful stocking stuffer that shows you're paying attention. Every quilter loves a little something that shows the world who they are. This can be a quilty t-shirt, a mug, a sign for their sewing room, stickers for their machine, enamel pins for their notion bag. All of these are fun little touches, and they're inexpensive and heartfelt. And if you really want to do something meaningful, you can make them something handmade. Quilters, I feel, appreciate handmade items more than anybody else. Sew them a pouch, a little pin cushion, a mug rug, or a small quilted ornament. It costs nothing, but says everything. Let's be honest, if you don't know what to get a quilter, a gift card is a slam dunk. And Fat Quarter Shop has literally everything. Fabric, kits, rulers, thread, notions, patterns, mats. You cannot go wrong, and they ship worldwide. I have a link below that helps support my channel if you choose to shop through it, so thank you in advance for that. If shopping online is not your thing, check with your local quilt shop because I am sure they would love to sell you a gift card. Now let's talk about something big, which I have right here. It is the Caterpillar Flip and Fold 48, and this is one of the coolest, most innovative mats out there. It's a full-size cutting mat that actually folds up to about 12 by 18 inches, which means it's portable, it's storable, and it's perfect for retreats or small spaces. It lays flat, it's self-healing, and the printing is crisp. The surface is smooth and it is really durable. Caterpillar also makes a ton of other clever products, lights, trimmers, mats in various sizes, but the Flip and Fold line is definitely a standout. And Caterpillar has donated a Flip and Fold 48 for the giveaway. This is a big prize and such an amazing addition to any sewing setup. Irons. Quilters have opinions, and here's mine. I love my Aliso irons. I use both the big one and the mini one. The mini is perfect for classes, retreats, travel, and tight spaces. It heats up fast, stays hot, and has great steam. And unlike other tiny irons that I've tried, it doesn't burn out after a few months. It just keeps going. And Aliso has donated a mini iron bundle for the giveaway, a small iron, a travel case, and a wool mat. This is such an awesome gift for a quilter at any level. Cotton cuts is one of the most fun gift ideas on this entire list because they take the stress out of quilting and leave only the joy. They sell fabric, kits, and subscription boxes, but they are especially famous for their pre-cut sew-alongs. These are genius. They sell die-cut pieces every month, and all you have to do is sew. No cutting, no trimming, no math, no stress. It's honestly quilting on easy mode, and it's perfect for beginners or busy quilters or just anyone who wants to enjoy the creativity without spending hours prepping fabric. Their next big sew-along for Mystery 5.0 has signups open right now, and all of the details, the dates, the colorways, and the quilt options are on their website, and that's linked down below. There are usually multiple colorways, so you can pick something that really fits your personality. And of course, I have to mention their advent calendars because they're kind of legendary. They might still have a few left, and I'm ridiculously excited because Cotton Cuts sent me their Notion advent box this year, and I'll be opening and reviewing a new Notion every single day during Vlogmas. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to follow along. And Cotton Cuts also has donated a full Mystery 5.0 kit from the previous sew-along. This is a huge prize, and it's such an awesome way to experience the joy of their sew-alongs. Okay, friends, that wraps up my list of what quilters really want for Christmas. I hope this helps spark some ideas, whether you're shopping for a quilter in your life or building your own wish list this season. Now, let's talk giveaway details because I know a bunch of you are excited about this. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is click the link in the description box or the first pinned comment down below. They'll both take you to the same entry form. You're just going to fill it out and that's it. Just make sure to give me an email address that you actually check because that's how I'm going to contact the winners. I'll draw winners for all of these prizes on November 30th, 2025, and then December 1st, they'll be announced on my website, across all of my socials, and if you're a winner, you'll get an email from me. So please double check that your email address is spelled correctly before you submit. I cannot wait to share all of these goodies with some of you. And a huge thank you to all of those incredible brands who generously contributed prizes. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. What did I miss on this list? What would you add to this gift guide? It could be anything. It could be something you love, something you've been wishing for, or something you just feel like other quilters need to know about. Drop your recommendations in the comments down below and let's build the ultimate quilters wish list together. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Happy quilting and happy early holidays, friends. Bye!